अरे यार मेकअप करने का मन कर रहा है, लेकिन मामा तो मेकअप करने नहीं देती क्योंकि और कहती है बच्चों को मेकअप नहीं करना चाहिए। तो इसलिए मैं लाई हूँ आपके लिए एक मेकअप सेट गाइस। सो हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आई एम गौरी। सो टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू अनबॉक्स makeup kit and which is a box. So let's see the video. Friends, I am excited to open my makeup set and let me introduce to my makeup set. I'm saying like that it is a people. So let me show you. It is front and we can hang it like a backpack, and if you don't like to hang, so you can pick it up with this like attaching. So now let's open it. Let's go. Guys, let's start it. So I have introduced from you, and it is called dresser. So let's open it. It has a locker which we have opened. See, this is my makeup set base. This is the mirror and a sticker and a base of it on which we put all the stuff of makeup set. So let us put the stuff on this. So let's get started. So guys, I'll meet you after putting this stuff on my makeup set base. So I'll meet you on that time. Bye. मैंने पूरा सेट कर लिया है. So now it's time to show you set. Guys, this is the whole set. I hope you like this set. Let me show you the materials of this set. First, I'm going to show you this. This is a nail polish which really opens. Let me show you. See guys, this is the nail polish and we can open it like this, but not filled nail polish. It's empty, but it's really very nice for playing. And a lipstick, pink color. I love pink color. A different style lipstick. And see, a light pink color of lipstick. It's really nice. Hair dryer, really very small, but pink and purple color. Now let me show you the combs. First comb of pink color, which has one heart in mid and two flowers. One flower on the right, one flower on the left. And this is a butterfly comb, a really very lovely comb. Now let me show you a butterfly stamp. This is a butterfly stamp which we can put on. See, it's nice, na? It not stamps, but it is a playing stamp. It's nice. And this is the eyeshadow, a really nice eyeshadow, and it has a fairy maid on it. See, and it's a red color little eyeshadow. It means eyeshadow blush and eyeshadow, and we can put it in the mid. So let's go another item. A perfume. It looked like a real perfume, and it has a fairy maid on it. See, you can't see it clearly, but it has made it on it. A little bit you can see this. And a blush. Cute. And now let me show you clips. clips, butterfly clip, two butterflies clips, and two flowers clip. And now let me show you the bucket. This is the bucket which can be attached to the upper side, it means side of the mirror, with help of this. And it has this with it. It is for putting it here, but no need to put it here, so I don't put it here. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, so please like, share, subscribe, and also press the bell icon. Till then, take care and bye. And comment also.